everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm here with Bailey. Now anybody that's been following me for a while will know that our Bailey loves these kind of like cool edgy styles. She definitely suits them, okay? You always get a lot of nice comments, don't you, Boo? So we're going to be doing braids and massive curls on top, curls coming down the front, and I'm going to show you another little craft trick today. I've been to the craft shop again. So let's get started. Okay, sorry if you can hear the crazy drilling going on next door, but there's not a lot I can do about it. So hopefully you can't hear it, but I definitely can. Now, we're going to start this style by separating the hair. So I'm just going to run my comb through. I always think the first one's much easier than the second one because you have to try and mirror it both sides. So I'm just going to do that one, like that. So I'm just going to pop that middle section in a pony. So like I said, just try and make sure these side sections are even. Next I'm just going to tame Bailey's flyaways here, guys. So I'm just going to ask Bailey to cover her hearing aid. Thanks, Boo. Bit of wax spray. I'll put the link in the description for you. That's it, keep it covered, Boo. Good girl. That's it. Next, what I want you to do, guys, is we're going to put a braid, okay? Any braid you want. You can do French, Dutch, infinity. So I'm opting for a little Dutch braid. Nice and tight. I want there to be a real contrast between the side bits and the middle bit. So I'm doing my little Dutch braids. I have got a tutorial for tight braids, so I will put that in the description for you guys. Last little sections here, guys. Just popping an elastic in, guys, and then you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. Okay guys, so braids are in both sides, and next we're going to curl all this hair, okay? I am going to be putting some elastics in the top to the crown and then just curling as normal from the crown down. I've chosen a really tight curl today, but whatever you you like or you fancy, use that, but I've used quite a thin one today. Who makes happiness feel effortless? Makes cliches come true. Well, I didn't believe in much till you came along. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to leave these two as they are, guys, but I'm actually going to see if I can just flip this through here. You'll see why in a minute. So flip that through and then re-tightened it, and can you see how it kind of sits up now? Now I'm going to leave the rest now, no more elastics, and I'm going to start curling this hair, okay? Bringing it off, and now I'm just going to pull that curl. So I don't want the bottom ones to be too tight and short. So I'm just pulling on that curl and just getting a bit of extra length. Well, I didn't believe in much till you came along. Oh. So I'm just using now, guys, some clay spray, but you could use texture spray or hairspray. I'm just going to spray at the roots, and I might do a little bit on the curl as well. And we're going to start giving this style a little bit of oomph and volume. So I've actually forgot a stage there, guys. I want you to join these two braids underneath. So I'm just going to pop that back up a second, join them together. Well, I didn't believe in much
much till you came along.
Go across again.
Now it's like I write to you in every single song. 'Cause you're clever and you make me laugh. Oh, never thought I'd find that. Stormy weather, you're my life after. I never thought I'd find that. Do you know how great you make my day now? How even just a smile can turn a sour mood around. And I hope you know I'll never take for granted what we found. This crazy thing we found.
So on this one here, I sort of like squidged it up, but I want to let a few of these curls kind of sit going forwards.
Now it's like I write to you in every single song. 'Cause you're clever and you make me laugh. Oh, I never thought I'd find that.
Now, to finish the style off, guys, what I'm going to do is these are like adhesive craft sheets. So, I'm just going to cut one strip off these. I think I'll go from that side. Okay, so you have to pull off the little strip at the back, and then that's just going to stick on that. It comes off no problem. If it isn't sticky enough, this one's really quite sticky, but if it isn't, you can use a little bit of eyelash glue.
Someone like you who makes happiness feel effortless and makes cliches come true. Well, I didn't believe in much till you came along. Oh. Now it's like I write to you in every single song. 'Cause you're clever and you make me laugh. Oh, never thought I'd find that.
So that is the style finished. I'm going to do a little spin for you.
I never thought I'd find that. Do you know how great you make my day now?
So thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and me and Bailey will do another video very soon. Bye.
This crazy thing we